Good morning, children. We have completed our syllabus in physics. Understand? I hope all of you good well. Understand? We have completed our syllabus. So I summarize all the topics and all the chapters. Understand? I summarize all the topics. This is the summary of the chapter first physics class 7. This is the summary of chapter first physics class 7 physical quantities and measurement. This is the chapter first of physics. Understand? First of all, we have to learn in summary what is volume. What is volume? What do you mean by the term volume? Understand? Volume. Understand? Volume, we have to find the volume of a three-dimensional shape. Understand? We have to find a regular shape volume and irregular shape volume. Understand? What do you mean by volume? If you have to define the term volume, then you define the volume. Understand? Any object that occupies any three-dimensional object that occupies the area is known as its volume. Clear? Any three-dimensional space object, any three-dimensional object that occupies the space is known as its volume. The SI unit of volume is meter cube. The SI unit of volume is meter cube. Understand? We have to find volume of regular shape. We have to find volume of regular shape. By the formula, by the mathematical formula, we have to find the volume of regular shape. By the mathematical formula, we have to find the volume of regular shape. Understand? By the volume of, we have to find the volume of irregular shape. We have used to the method. This is known as displacement of liquid. This is known as displacement of liquid. Understand, students? If we have to find the volume of irregular shape, we use the method displacement of liquid. In video, we have learned what is displacement of liquid. If a beaker is 50 ml water poured in this beaker, we have to find the volume of a stone. We dip a stone, then the volume rises up to 70 ml. 70 ml. Then the initial volume is 50 ml and the final volume is 70 ml. Clear, students? So the volume become the stone is 70 ml minus 50 ml. We get 20 ml. So we have to find the volume of irregular shape. Understand? Area. Area is the space covered by two-dimensional object. Area is a space covered by two-dimensional object. Then it is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. It has two-dimensional space. It has two dimension, one length and another breadth. The area, the space covered by this figure is known as its area. We have to learn the mathematical formula of area. Understand? The next topic, mass. What do you mean by mass? Mass, the quantity of matter present in a body is known as its mass. The quantity of matter present in a body is known as its mass. If the mass of this marker is 1 kg, we denote that, we understand that it presents 1 kg of matter. Then the next topic is speed. What do you mean by speed? We have to define speed. Distance per unit time is known as speed. The distance per unit time is known as speed. Clear? The SI unit of speed is meter per second. Clear? Or meter second inverse. The next topic is velocity. Velocity. First we define what do you mean by displacement. Then we define what is velocity. Students, displacement. The shortest distance between the initial point and the final point is known as its displacement. The ratio of displacement and time is known as its velocity. Displacement per unit time is also known as velocity. Understand? So the SI unit of velocity is displacement is a length, displacement is a length, displacement is length. So its SI unit is known as meter per second or meter second inverse. Understand? Word bank you given in the book. Area, the two-dimensional object, the space covered by two-dimensional object is known as its area. We have to find the area of different objects by the different mathematical formula which are given in your book, and I taught also in the videos. Understand? Next topic, density. What do you mean by density? Mass per unit volume is also known as density. Mass per unit volume is known as density. Mass, the SI unit of mass is kilogram and the SI unit of volume is meter cube. Understand? So the SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. Understand? Kilogram per meter cube. Is it the SI unit of density? Students, the next topic is speed. What is speed? Distance per unit time is known as speed. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. Next topic is volume. What is volume? The space, the area covered by three-dimensional object is known as its volume. The SI unit of volume is meter cube. The space covered by three-dimensional object. Understand? Example, a matchbox. Your room is also three-dimensional because each have length, breadth and height. Three-dimensional means length, breadth and height. Understand? Three-dimensional means length, breadth and height. Understand? We have to find the volume. The SI unit of volume is meter cube. I summarize all the topics of chapter first. If you have any problem, then you ask me. Okay, students? Bye.